Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a comprehensive guide on how to schedule and manage webinars on teamwork.com. So let's get started. First things first, log into your Teamwork account. If you don't have one, create it quickly. It's free and user-friendly. This is the first step because without an account, you won't be able to access the platform's features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Projects tab at the top of your screen. This is where you can create a new project or select an existing one. For today, let's create a new project as it's necessary for scheduling a webinar. Click on the Add Project button, fill in the details, and there you go. The reason we do this is because Teamwork.com organizes your webinars as projects to help you keep track of everything in one place. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the Events section under the Calendar tab. This is where you'll schedule your webinar. Click on Add Event, select your newly created project, and fill in your webinar details including the title, date, time, and description. This helps us because it allows us to provide all necessary information for attendees and sets a clear agenda for the webinar. Next up, we need to add the attendees. Click on the Invite People button and add the email addresses of your attendees. Teamwork.com will send them an invitation with all the webinar details. It's important to do this because your audience needs to know when and how to join your webinar. Finally, managing your webinar is a breeze on Teamwork.com. Just go back to your Projects tab, select your webinar project, and you'll see all the details, updates, and who's accepted your invitation. You can also add files, create tasks, or post updates related to the webinar here. This is great because it keeps everything organized and easily accessible. And that's it. Easy, right? Just remember, the key to scheduling and managing webinars on Teamwork.com is organization. Everything you need is right there in your Projects tab. So go ahead and start scheduling your webinars now. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.